Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. from 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find our email and website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click on the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing and tells YouTube to share my channel with other people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is going to be about the port of Cozumel. So Cozumel has 3 cruise piers there: Punta, Langosta, the International Pier, and Puerto Maya. I was just there, and I was at Punta Langosta on the Disney Dream. What I liked about it is lots of shopping. I'm going to say it's a shopping paradise. Lots of restaurants, lots of bars. There was a taxi stand there. There was places where if you didn't book your shore excursions, you can pick up a shore excursion there. The one that I was at, Punta Langosta, is right near the downtown. The other 2 ports, they were a few miles away. I can tell you is I'm a big fan of Cozumel. I like the cruise port. Of course, I like Disney, that brought me there, but I've been on other cruise lines that brought me there as well. But if you're looking for things to do, places to eat, you're looking to shop, everything's going to be right at that cruise port or cruise terminal. Taxi stands are there as well to get you wherever you need to get to. So please, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please, hopefully, give me a call when you're thinking about your next vacation. I have everything from cruises to all-inclusives to theme parks. Enjoy the video. Talk to you soon. Bye.